Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a special unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Trinidad Cabildos. This is a limited edition from 2024. As you can see, March 2024. This is the packaging that it comes with. It comes with an outer packaging. And if we open this up, there's a very nice sleeve. And inside is the box of cigars. Opening the sleeve, you see there is an NFC chip over here which can confirm authenticity, and in the back you have the usual Habanos, hecha en Cuba and totalmente a mano, which means totally handmade. Let's open this up. This was introduced in last year's Festival de Habanos. 5 Cabildos. These cigars, this is a premiere box. This is from the event itself, and this was purchased from Cigar. It's English Market Selection 2024. These cigars are 46 ring gauge and 6 3/8 inch in length. Let's open them up. So over here you have the box number. This is out of 10,000 boxes, and there's 5 cigars in here, and this is the NFC chip number. You've got a Boveda bag. We have the cedar wood. We have the Hunters and Francow EMS certificate. Then there is the card that comes with it, which explains all about them. You have the regular piece of Habanos information. There is this kind of see-through thing with the Trinidad logo. And finally you have the cigars themselves. As you can see, it's a triple band. You've got the Trinidad logo, the limited edition 2024, and there's a foot band as well. Let's take one out. Very nice pigtail, and just look at the color of the leaves. These look absolutely gorgeous. These are medium strength cigars, and like I said, the limited edition. These boxes cost in the UK around, not in the UK, I don't remember how much they were in the UK, but I can find them on EGM cigars for around £800 for a box, which is, you know, a preposterous size price for these cigars, but nonetheless they are limited edition, so the price kind of makes sense. These cigars are, I've seen them already on Bond Roberts going up for auction. And I believe that the price for them and the demand for them in the years to come will be high, just like they were with the Robusto teas and all the other limited editions that they made, especially with the Fandadoras one that they had last year in 2024. They released a limited edition Humidor that went for ridiculous amounts of money in the festival. And I think these things, especially when they come with all the leather, the metal on both sides, they're just going to increase the value. And I think this is going to be a very collectible item. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.